Good day traders. In this video I'm going to show you a couple of amazing trading signals I took using Trendline Trader. Using Trendline Trader you can get a very high risk to reward ratio. But the problem is you have to be constantly monitoring at the screen. Let me show you one. In this USD CHF trade setup, you can find a trend line here, a perfect trend line, and third one is your entry. If you can find two extreme points like this, like what I have found here, 1, 2, and the third one would be my entry. In this gold instrument here, again I have found 1, 2, and third point would be my entry. Next one, Euro USD. I have found 1, 2, and 3 might be somewhere in here. I am waiting for the market to bounce back to my trend line. AUD USD, I found first one support testing, breakout, and the retracement, and the third one is my entry. These are my 2 points. First one is here, the second one is here, third one is my entry. USD JPY again, 1, 2, third one is my entry. As you can see, trendline trading strategy is very high probable trading strategy which gives you a high risk reward ratio, which means the reward you get compared to the risk you apply in your trading is very high. The problem is you have to be constantly monitoring at the screen. But to get rid of this problem, we have created this expert advisor. All you have to do is to set these trading parameters in the description section of the line. Each and every trade parameter which is using in this expert advisor, I have listed down in the description section of this video. You can see it. Now for the demonstration purpose, I am going to drag this line below the current price of this instrument. Let's see how the expert advisor is working. Good. Now you know how the expert advisor is working. When the price moves above your trend line, the expert advisor places the trade according to the risk parameters you have given. With this expert advisor, you can use fixed lots and the risk capital you are prepared to take. And you can use stop loss, you can use take profit, and you can use compound stop losses, compound take profits, and everything. All the parameters which are being used in this trading strategy in this expert advisor are listed down in the description. Now the benefit of using this expert advisor is I can draw all the trend lines in all the instruments I am willing to trade and set trade parameters and just forget it. Expert advisor is doing its job. If you think you want to have the expert advisor, just drop a mail into this mail address. You can have this expert advisor for lifetime usage for your account, just for $10.